Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I want to show you a truly amazing piece of luggage, perfect for carry-on size. This is by Sherpani, and look how well, first of all, it's beautiful, but also it's made really well. I like the hard body. It has a very tall handle. For reference, I'm 5'6", and I just love the extendable 2-foot handle. It's just right. And also a little handle for grabbing on either side. I love that. Also locks. This was a necessity for me, probably because I pack too much, but I need locks so that my zippers don't come open. Sherpani Meridian is a 22-inch durable hard shell. It's an ultralight material, and the locks are TSA approved. It's expandable, and it has these silent 360-degree spinner wheels. This is a perfect travel companion because it's anti-crush with the hard shell, and it only weighs 6 pounds, so super lightweight, easy to pack all the things that I pack. 2 interior packing compartments, compression strap, and a mesh divider with 2 pockets. The zipper closure here that allows me to put my shoes separate from the rest of my clothing. I absolutely love that. This has been the perfect size for our carry-on needs. No more checking bags. I need one for the whole family now. Sherpani is my favorite carry-on bag. I hope you love it as well. That's my point of view.